The heart of any hospital is the operating room. Here, skilled surgeons perform life-saving procedures. But behind the scenes, another team plays a crucial role: Central Sterile Services Department, or CSSD Technicians. CSSD Technicians are responsible for sterilizing all surgical instruments. Their meticulous work ensures that every scalpel, forceps, and retractor is free from harmful bacteria and viruses. Without them, surgery would be impossible. These dedicated professionals are the unsung heroes of healthcare. Their work is often unseen, but their impact is profound. They are the guardians of the operating room, protecting patients from the invisible dangers of infection. Sterilization is a complex process, requiring specialized equipment and rigorous protocols. CSSD technicians are highly trained in the science of decontamination. The journey of a surgical instrument begins in the decontamination area. Here, instruments are manually cleaned to remove visible debris. They are then placed in ultrasonic cleaners, which use high-frequency sound waves to dislodge any remaining particles. The final stage is sterilization. This is typically done using an autoclave, which uses high-pressure steam to kill all microorganisms. CSSD technicians carefully monitor the sterilization process to ensure its effectiveness. Hospital-acquired infections, or HIEs, are a major concern worldwide. They can lead to serious complications, prolonged hospital stays, and even death. CSSD technicians play a vital role in preventing HIEs. By ensuring that all surgical instruments are sterile, they break the chain of infection. Their work is a silent victory, protecting countless patients from harm. Studies have shown that hospitals with strong CSSD practices have lower rates of HIEs. This highlights the direct link between their work and patient safety. The work of CSSD technicians is often overlooked. They work behind the scenes, their efforts rarely noticed by patients. But their contribution to healthcare is immense. Imagine a world without CSSD technicians. Surgeries would be delayed or cancelled due to a lack of sterile instruments. The risk of infection would skyrocket, putting patients' lives at risk. These dedicated professionals are the unsung heroes of healthcare. Their tireless efforts ensure that hospitals can operate safely and effectively. They deserve our gratitude and respect for their vital role in saving lives.